Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to know your Discord ID. So let's get right into it. First of all, you must have to log into Discord. Then look at the left side, you will see settings option. Just simply click on setting icon. Then this type of window will be open. Scroll down from here and go with advanced. Here you will see developer mode. You have to enable it to see your Discord ID. Make it enable by clicking this option, and then you will be able to see your Discord ID, and by clicking this mode you will be able to see anybody's Discord ID. So that's it guys. How to know your Discord ID. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.